What's going on YouTube? Y'all already know who and what it is. It is your boy, none other than South Sky AP. And we back on AP Whips. Y'all already know what time it is. It's a new video coming y'all way.
Shit, nigga, SUG, man, y'all already know the game. We rocking, man. Fuck they tell off, man. Feel like the Migos in this motherfucker. I got one chain though. What area? Smoking stupid, really loud. You know how it goes, man. Shoot 'em up gang, man. Free dirt, man. R.I.P. DP, R.I.P. NT, free roll, man. Gang. My niggas, they on you, no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they on you, no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they on you, no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they on you, no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they on you, no letting.
What's up, y'all? As y'all can see, we are outside with it. We are out. I brought Sugar because we had to stop at Best Buy. But as y'all can see, she is dirty. Look at that. Y'all see that? Man, I ain't never had my car dirty this long. You feel me? So y'all already know what we got to do later, right? Which the reason why we are up here at Best Buy is because I am no longer shooting POVs with this phone, considering how trash it look and everything. It's all fuzzy. You can't even really see me. It's not giving y'all that quality. So what I decided to do is come up here to Best Buy and see if I can find me a GoPro. We're gonna be shooting our our POV, late night driving, cruising, whatever with that mod. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned for more. We got. So gang, we up in here in Best Buy. I see the GoPro. I want it. It's the GoPro Black. And I'm actually looking for the Creators Edition, but I don't see that one. It look like they all out. Yeah, that one was $549, but it look like they all out. So all I see is what I tell you. All I see is the $499 one, and that's just the GoPro Black Edition. So well, guys, they didn't have the GoPro Hero 11, and from my understanding, it costs a little bit more anyway. You know, this was $549 for the GoPro Hero 11, but the 12, which is the latest one that just came out, it's only $499. So that's a hell of a lot cheaper than the other one. Then he, suggested I get out because you're gonna need it for memory. Definitely gonna need some memory on there. Jesus, this one. They want $179 for 128 gigabytes. 134 for. Must be a difference, I know. Jesus, I didn't realize how expensive memory cards was. So y'all give me a minute. I'm gonna check back with y'all. He just went to go get it. I want to do some more browsing, y'all. Thinking about getting a laptop too and replacing it with my desktop, because my desktop is trash. I think I bought a trash desktop. Oh, the Rogue Alley. Come on, you see this? Ooh, what is this? Oh, this must be a new Xbox. Yeah, it's got to be Xbox related. Y'all see the AXBY?
I already knew this.
Windows 11. Dang, that ball look rough. It looks like, whoa. That's actually not bad, to tell you the truth. Even though it costs more than a PS5 and an Xbox, but that's actually not too bad. Not too bad though. That's decent. So we're gonna continue looking around. Y'all already know who with me, my broke breast. So check it out, guys. We got it. We went and got the GoPro Hero 12 Black Creators Edition, which is gonna make our POVs and our videos for the car a lot more better and a lot more quality. So I won't have to use it with my phone anymore. So I recommend anybody who's recording, if you can and you got the chance, go out and get you a camera, or you can keep using your phone, because your phone might work a hell of a lot better than mine. Like I keep saying, a $2,000 phone and the frontwards camera does not work now at night. You know, now you're probably asking yourself, I know you didn't just go buy a $500 camera just because your frontwards camera don't work at night and it works, you know, pretty decent during the day. No, I bought it because I need it. I need it for other things that I may want to do with my channel, you know, as far as recording video. I may, you know, need to vlog other things when I'm out and about. Sorry about that, I had my finger in front of it. But yeah, I really do recommend you guys getting a camera, and something simple, something easy. And I've been doing my research on the GoPro, and it's one of the best options out there. You know, I see a lot of people doing things with their GoPro as far as skiing, surfing, you know, bike riding and stuff like that. It's an amazing camera to have. Some even use it for the dashboard in their vehicle to record as they're driving in case of an accident that may happen, you know. So yeah, I definitely think I made a good option, a good investment there. But now we're going to the car wash because she needs a wash bag. Stay tuned for more, buddy. Your boy got you. What up, AP gang? Hey, we up here at the car wash. Once again, I keep putting my finger in the way. See, this is why having a camera to shoot your videos is a hell of a lot better than your phone, especially a Z Fold flip. You know what I'm saying? Well, we up here at the car wash, and it's a hand car wash, and they're gonna do it. I see right now that they charge $23 for cars, everything. Places that far. You know what I'm saying? I came up, had my I had a Chevy Impala 2017. I had some 22-inch rocks on it. That was my bad. But they did a pretty good job. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let them go ahead and do it versus going through one of them do-it-yourself. Because last time I went through, if y'all saw the other video, they bent my front plate. So we up here at the car wash. We finna go ahead and pull up in here, and they're gonna hook up. All right, let's go. So y'all, we up in here inside the car wash. As y'all can see, they doing a lot of cars. Come on, hold the bag. See over there behind the white truck. They do pretty good. They just told me the whole thing gonna cost $33. So we'll see what's going on with that. Stay tuned, y'all. Oh, somebody else doing the road. Oh, what up, gang, man? We back, man. And we just left the car. Shout out to Delicate Touch, them the people that did the car and everything. Me and my this is our laundry day, y'all. That's why we looking all bummy and everything. But hey, we made sure Midnight got clean. They did a good job. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all how she look. She all cleaned up. They put them tires on that yellow line.
No, you did.
Yeah, I sure did. I thought they was gonna knock my part off. I did have to come over here and dry off a little excess dry off, because a couple of water spots was still there. You know, water hides, bro. See what I'm saying? Water hides. So you know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna get it all. So I mean, I have to pop the trunk back open and dry off some more. Y'all see it? See the logo? Go ahead, subscribe right now. Just go ahead, subscribe. Subscribe. But yeah, shout out to everybody that with me today. You know what I'm saying? I went and picked up my GoPro. I'm actually over here by GameStop because I'm finna go over here and pay on my Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Yeah, I'm finna go pay on that because I plan on getting it in come October 11th when Black Ops 6 drop. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna slide over there, pay on that. Had to hit the tires because I thought they glossed the tires up, but they didn't. Put that tire wet on there, that tire dressing. You know what I'm saying? But appreciate y'all for sliding through, showing up, man. I got so much love for y'all, man. Hey, if you ain't doing nothing and it's boring, just slide through and check out the video. I'm trying to cut them down to at least 15, 20 minutes so I won't be boring y'all all day. But if you ain't got nothing to do, please just show love and just come through and check it out. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Sauce. Welcome to AP. Before we leave, I want to let y'all know I'm thinking about going catless. Yeah, I already did the mid-muffler delete, so I'm thinking about going catless and everything so I can extra roar out of her. You know what I'm saying? So if I go catless, then yeah, if I go catless, I'll definitely get that extra roar out of her. So I appreciate checking out the channel and everything. What you want to say?
Sometimes I'm gonna be on the channel on Monday and Tuesdays.
Monday and Tuesday she's gonna be on the channel though, even though we don't know what date we may drop the video. But yeah, so y'all make sure y'all slide through. Appreciate y'all for showing up. Appreciate y'all for showing the love, man. It's your boy Sauce. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.